Hello everyone. Last video we discussed about concept learning and continue with this hypothesis based of concept learning with the same example. Okay, let X denotes the instance and H as hypothesis in the Enjoy Sport learning task. In the Enjoy Sport learning task, let's compute the distinct instances and hypothesis in X and H. Then out of this hypothesis, H is a vector of 6 constraints specifying the values of 6 attributes. That 6 attributes are sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, and forecast. In this hypothesis representation, the value of each attribute could be either 1 or 0 other than defined values. 1 or 0 other than defined values. So the hypothesis space H has 5120 distinct hypotheses. For example, we given the below structure attribute values and count. Attribute values and count. That means attribute means sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast. The values are sunny, cloudy, raidy. Okay, that means the behavior of the sky. Okay, the environment of the behavior of the sky. This is the our hypothesis. Okay, the distinct observation in X means 3 into 3 multiplication of 2 into multiplication of 2, so that is equal to 96. Okay, that is equal to 96. The distinct hypothesis is H. That H means we have calculate the multiplication of 5 into multiplication of 4 multiplication of 4. This is the number of combination. This is equal to 5120 distinct hypotheses. Okay, so how they get, they are syntactically distinct but not semantically. For example, we discuss the same example, sky equal to 0 and temperature equal to warm and humidity equal to 1, wind equal to strong and water equal to warm, forecast equal to same. These are the some examples we have to take. But generally to specific ordering of hypothesis, consider a two hypothesis. H equal to, that means sky is a sunny, air temperature is a 1, humidity is a 1, that means normal, wind is a strong, and water is a warm, and forecast is a same. This is the general specific ordering. Okay, these are the some examples. Next one is find as algorithm. What is find as algorithm? We perform the concept learning, we use a find as algorithm. Why we use find as algorithm? To find a maximum specific hypothesis. To find a maximum specific hypothesis. How they calculate to general to specific ordering of hypothesis. Now it's time to use this partial ordering to organizing the search for a hypothesis. One way is to begin with the most specific possible hypothesis in H. Okay, then the generalize this hypothesis each time it fails and to cover an observed positive training example. For example, this finders algorithm is using the some of the steps. What is the steps? The three steps are using. First step is initialize H to most specific hypothesis in H, that means capital H. Okay, second step is for each positive training instance is small x, for each attribute constraints is a of I in H. If the constraint a of I is satisfied by x, then do nothing, else replace a of I in H by next to moral general constraints. These are the some, these are the steps of our finders algorithm. To illustrate this algorithm, assume the learner is given the sequence of training examples from the enjoy sport task. That is the example we given the below the example is sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast, enjoy sport attribute. These are the our examples. First step is first step is first step of the finders is to initialize H. The most specific hypothesis is, the first step is to find the S algorithm, first step is to find the initialize H. The most specific hypothesis is H is equal to theta. Okay. Second step is to training the example. That means to training the X, to training the positive training instance X. The first training example X1 equal to sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, and same. Okay, this is a positive observing first training example. It is clear the hypothesis H is too specific. None of the theta constraints in H are satisfied by this example. So each is replaced by the next more general constraint. The next fit example H1 is equal to sunny, warm, and one strong, warm, same. These are the some examples. Consider the second training example x2 is equal to positive. X2 is considered as positive. The second training example forces the algorithm to further generalize H. This time substituting a 1 in place of attribute value in H that is not satisfied by new example. So fourth step is consider the third training example, and given the third training example, NJ sport is negative. The fourth step is NJ sport is negative. To find the find S algorithm, simplify the ignore every negative example. So the hypothesis remain as same, that means as before. Okay, so negative, we define the negative, then we have to ignore the same. Okay, fifth step is here, consider the fourth training example. Fifth step is fourth step example, that means training example. It is a positive. The fourth example lead to further generalization of H as H4 is equal to sunny, warm, and question mark is equal to 1, strong, 1, and 1. 1 is considered as a positive. Okay, finally the final hypothesis is sunny, warm, 1. That means question mark is initialized into 1, strong, and 1, and 1. Okay, so the finders algorithm, what is the key property of finders algorithm? Finders algorithm is guaranteed to output the most specific hypothesis within H, that is consistent with the positive training example. And next key property is finders algorithm final hypothesis will also be consistent with the negative examples, provided the correct target concept in the constraint in H, and provide the training examples are correct. These are the some key properties of finders algorithms. Thank you.